Okay, you're welcome again to my channel, guys. I have a nice setup here on EurAud, and I would love to analyze with you, and I would love to show you everything I have going on my chat here with you as my community. So this is what I'm here to do in this video, guys, and I would love you also to turn on your notification bell and subscribe to my channel, so whenever I drop a video, when you have turn on your notification bell, you get notified about the video, and you can come to watch my analysis and other videos which I make on here, and you can subscribe so we can get in touch as a community and as one family. So guys, thanks for doing that. So let's go to the chat work here on the EurAud, and let's see what we have. I have a JC setup here, and I pray it plays out the way we see it. So guys, let's go on the chart. This is all I have going on here. This is all I have going on the EurAud. So I got my first entry already. So I'll be showing you my second entry. So I'll be showing you my second entry, and you can get in on the second entry. The second entry comes with a lot of confirmation, with more confirmation. The second entry comes with more confirmation. So I would love you to enter on the break of the structure on the next entry. So that's what I'm going to show you. Also, I'm going to show you how you can enter on that. So let me show you how I get, or I come about all this here, which you can see. So I'm going on a buy on the EurAud. So I'm going on a buy. My ask why I'm going on a buy. So I'm going to show you the reason why I'm going on a buy. This is the 50-minute time frame. So I'll go to the higher time frame. So we can start from the 4-hour time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what we have there, because we are bearish on the higher time frame. If you can see, we are bearish on the higher time frame. So you might be asking, why are you going on a buy if we are bearish? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use there's a previous zone which the price of the EurAud has not tapped in. So I've been waiting for the zone to tap in. I drew the zone for some time now, so I've been waiting for it to tap in, and it just tapped in the zone, and I will be showing you also the zone, because you might be confused. No, there is no zone here, and you didn't follow up in the previous video. So I'll be showing you the zone which it has tapped in this video. So this is the main purpose why I'm making the video, to show you why I'm entering on a buy. So let's go on the 4-hour, and we are on the 4-hour already. So you can see this zone, this demand level. You can see this demand level here, right here. I'm going to mark all here for you. So you can see this demand level, which you can see. So after a tap on this zone, you can see that there is a push to the upside. We all can agree to that. There is a push to the upside after a tap on this particular zone. This zone which I drew some box here, which I drew this tool here, this circle through, this circle to this zone which I draw this circle to. You can see that after a tap on this specific zone, this particular zone, there's a push to the upside. So this is giving me a view that after another tap, after this tap also, there will be a push to the upside, and I don't know what might happen. To be honest with you, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know how this trade will go. I just want to enter based on what I trade. You understand what I'm saying? So let's go more. Let me show it to you what I have also as a confirmation. So that's one. That's the demand area. So after the demand area, I mark out my point. I mark out my break of structure. So I'm going to delete this because we are done with it. I'm going to delete it now. So after the break of structure, after the demand area, I mark out my break of structure. So you can see the market was bearish, or kind of like bearish. So there is a break of structure here. So there is a change of trend to see. There is a change of trend to say this whole zone. So the market is kind of like bearish on this zone. Too much. So this zone was kind of like bearish, you can see. So this particular zone was bearish. So I didn't buy here. All I do was to sell because of this zone. This zone was kind of like bearish. You understand what I'm saying? So since this zone is bearish, what I'm waiting for a confirmation to see that yes, I'm bullish before I can buy or I can sell if I'm bearish. So all I do is that I sold all along there at that zone. So I sold there, I didn't buy. I didn't buy at that side. So there's a change of character to say, and here is the change of character, the overall change of character. So I'll do this one as the high which is taken out. So I'll make here now my change of character. So I'll write it as change of character. So this is the short form which I will write it. So this is the change of character. And after this, before this change of character, we can see there is a break of structure here. So this structure has been broken. So after the break of structure, what do I normally do? I take my fifth retracement zone and I plot it from the break of structure to the low. That is how I normally do it. So I plot it to the low, and I'm targeting the 61.8 and the 50% fifth retracement zone. So if you have been following, you know that's my specific, that's my point of interest, which I always look up to enter my trade. So since I have a break of structure now, I'm waiting for the price to tap in. So guess what happened? The price didn't tap in immediately. So I was waiting that particular day for the price to tap in. The price didn't tap in. So what happened was the price didn't tap in. I've been waiting for it to tap in. I've been waiting, guys. I've been waiting. The price keep pushing up. I've been waiting. So I even got I got in on the sales. So you can see there's a sell here, there's a sell here. So I got in on the sell while I was waiting for the tapping, for the zone to tap in. So I was selling because we have the change of trend also. While it's selling, it's now selling, it's no longer buying, now it's selling. All this zone was sell, bearish. So after a long while, guys, after we've been waiting at that particular point, now we have a tap into that zone, the zone which we have been waiting for. We have a tap into that zone, guys. And something about this trade is that it can still go wrong. Like seriously, it can still go wrong. Even though you wait for a year and it taps in, it can still go wrong. So that's just it. It's just a probability numbers game. You know, it's just kind of like a probability. You don't know what might happen, but based on the edge you have, it will put you in a kind of like a more considerable way. It will put you in a likelihood of, you know, having a series of having a win over series of trade, you know. So that's what my edge does for me. So I've been waiting to tap in. So it taps in now. What am I going to do? I'm going to buy, guys. I'm going to buy regardless. So you can see this week rejection and some kind of like bullish engulfing and all of it. You can see this is not the bullish engulfing. It's kind of like a shooting star. Yeah, kind of like a shooting star here. So after that, what should I do now? I'm going on the lower time frame, which is the 1 hour time frame. So let me go to the 1 hour. 1 hour is not kind of that lower time frame, boys. We'll call it a lower time frame. Let's just call it a lower time frame. So I entered this trade already from this particular zone, which you can see. I entered the trade from this zone. So, and I'll still be going in on a buy again. So I entered this trade already. So this will be my next entry. My next entry will be above this zone. So I showed you my reasons for the buy now. I showed you my reasons for the buy. So this is my second entry. My second entry will be around here, above this place. So there's a line here. If you can see, there's a line I drew here. So above the line, if the line should break and maybe I see a retest on that line, I'll get in on a buy again to this zone. I'll get in on a buy again, and I'll be buying for now. So you can see this is my reasons why I'm buying the EurAud. You can see I'm on a buy already on my profit account. So I'll still wait. If the zone should break, then I'll go in again for a buy. And if it doesn't break and hit my SL, all I'm going to do, I'm going to sit patiently and wait for a new setup. Then I'll come back and I'll make the video of the new setup for you. But for now, I'm in the trade, guys. I'm in the trade. So let's see how it goes. It's not much. That's all for this video. So guys, thank you for staying to the end of the video. Let's see how it goes. Or in whichever way it goes, I'll come back and make a video for you how it goes, and I'll tell you all on how it goes. So guys, I love you. Thank you, and Peace.